AC making loud or unusual noises? Stop scrolling. Banging, grinding, screeching, or rattling sounds are not normal and usually mean a mechanical problem inside the system. The safest thing to do is turn the AC off to prevent further damage. Continuing to run it can lead to expensive repairs or total system failure. If you are hearing banging, grinding, screeching, or rattling, you need an HVAC technician right away. If you're in Stockton, call 209-507-0005 now. Your call is answered immediately and help gets scheduled fast. Don't wait for it to get worse. Call now, 209-507-0005